Hey, science detectives! Zoom in with me. Let's crack the case. Why does our nose blast out air like a rocket? Achoo! Mini Med School for Kids. One giant science adventure. Cool science? Kid power. Let's dive in. Boom! Here comes the clues. Watch carefully. Clue number 1. Dust or germs tickle your nose. Clue number 2. Your brain sends a signal to clear it out. Clue number 3. A sneeze shoots air faster than a race car. Wow, you got it! Sneezes are your body's cleaning rockets. Let's try today's trick. Cover your nose with your elbow, not your hand. Try it and follow me. This is not just learning, this is leveling up. Case closed, boss. Mini Med School for Kids. One giant science adventure that grows our brain and our smarts. Like, subscribe, and share. Grab your free tracker and worksheet. Link is below. Next time, get ready. How big are your lungs? Click my profile and watch the whole playlist.